I am Gayatri, working as Assistant Professor in EC Department at SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of basic concepts of input-output pins in 8051 microcontroller under the unit of Introduction to Embedded System for the course of Automotive Embedded System for 3rd year 5th semester students of automobile. Coming to the basic concepts of input-output pin, the 8051 microcontrollers have 4 input-output ports, each of 8 bit, which can be configured as input or output. Hence, the total 32 input-output pins allow the microcontroller to be connected with the peripheral devices. Peripheral devices is nothing but we can have the RAM, ROM, serial communication port, graphics card, like peripheral devices we can connect. Pin configuration. The pin can be configured as 1 for the input and 0 for the output as per the logic state. Input-output pin. All the circuits within a microcontroller must be connected to one of its pin except port 0 because it does not have any pull-up resistor built in. Input pin, the logic 1 is applied to the bit of P register, the output FE transistor is turned off and other pin remains connected to the power supply voltage over the pull-up resistor of high resistance. Then input configuration, if any pin of this port is configured as an input, then it is acting as floats. That is, the input has unlimited input resistance and indeterminate potential. Then output configuration, when the pin is configured as an output, then it acts as an open drain. By applying logic 0 to the port bit, the appropriate pin will be connected to the ground, just having the 0 volt, and applying logic 1, the external output will be keep on floating. In order to apply logic 1 5 volt on this output pin, it is necessary to build an external pull-up resistor. Port 0. It is categorized into two functions. When the external memory is used, then lower address byte, address A0, A7 up to A7 is applied on it. Else all the bits of this ports are configured as input-output. When port 0 is configured as an output, then other ports consisting of pins with built-in pull-up resistor connected by its end to 5 volt power supply, the pins of this port have this resistor left out. Port 1, the P1 is a true input-output as it does not have any alternate function as in P0, but this port is configured as general input-output only. It has built-in pull-up resistor and it is completely compatible with TTL circuits. Port 2. Port 2 is similar to port 0 when the external memory is used. The pins of this port occupy addresses intended for the external memory chip. This port can be used for higher address byte with addresses A8 to A15. When no memory is added, then this port can be used as a general input-output port similar to port 1. Then port 3. In this port, the functions are similar to other ports except that the logic 1 must be applied to the appropriate bit of P3 register. Pins current limitation. We are having it until we have discussed about the port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3 input configuration and output configuration, and now we are going to discuss about the pins current limitation. What are the pins we are having? 40 pins we are having in a 8051 microcontroller, and what are the limitations we are having in a pin configuration. Okay, when pins are configured as an output, that is logic 0, then the single port pins can receive a current of 10 milliamperes. Okay, when the pins are configured as input, that is logic 1, then the built-in pull-up resistor provide very weak current, but it can activate up to 4 TTL transistor tri-state logic input of LC series. If all the 8 bits of port are active, then the total current must be limited to 15 milliampere. For the port 0, it is having 26 milliampere. If all the ports 32 bits are active, then the total maximum current must be limited to 71 milliamperes. Okay. Then we have now we can have the short assessments. Which out of 4 ports of 8051 needs the pull-up resistor for using it as an input or output port 0. To initialize any port as an output port, which value is to be given for it? Okay, obviously we know the port is by default an output port only. Okay, thank you for listening.